Living with the motto, no dream is too big and no challenge is too great, a humble lad who grew up in the old capital town of Levuka has achieved what he considers to be his calling. Able seaman Colombo Vuniwanga joined the Australian Defence Force in 2017, returned to Fiji earlier this year to help his fellow Fijians who were severely battered by Tropical Cyclone Yasa in Vunolevu. Kuroi Tantulala reports that Vuniwanga grew up from humble beginnings and faced many challenges before he moved to Australia in 2019.
Now a member of the ADF engineering crew on board the HMAS Adelaide, Vuniwanga continued to hold on to his early memories of struggle that keeps him motivated.
This guy here, he started with a cane knife in my hand. I was farming in the island of Overlau, and I was eating my sweat. As we all know, that is how we go on about things.
Moving to Australia, language became a barrier for the Overlau lad. However, his drive for success saw him through those tough days.
I was even sort of hiding from doing chores just to read books so that I could better myself from speaking in English. You know, look at it now. You know, I'm speaking like English is my first lingo, but still,
Vuniwanga says his mom was his pillar of strength that guided him throughout his difficult times.
Mom didn't let me down with respect to sort of trying to push through and get me educated. As of now, I'm in the Royal Australian Navy. I'm part of the marine engineering sector. My job on HMS Adelaide is that I'm dealing with diesels, diesel engines. I'm a marine diesel feeder. I get the ship from point A to point B.
With over 3 years of experience as an engineer, Vuniwanga challenges young Fijians to pursue their dreams, no matter how big it may be.
The biggest challenge that I face is that it's when I stop. Because if you don't stop challenging yourself, there are other doors that will open up in front of you. And I'm telling you this because I've lived by experience. And not only that, whatever you do, don't forget someone is watching.
Vuniwanga was part of the 6 ADF crew with Fiji links on board the HMAS Adelaide that helped in the restoring of lives of those that were battered by the Category 5 Cyclone Yasa in the Northern Division. Kuroi Tantulala, FBC News.